Here is such a nice looking logarithmic problem that I found on X, on a page on X. So if you want to solve this problem, please pause the video because I'm going to solve this problem right now. So this is a classic ln or natural logarithm problem. So ln e to the power of 2x plus 3 equals to x plus ln 3. So what we want to do at first is just to simplify that by moving this ln term to the other side. So ln e to the power of 2x plus 3 minus ln 3 equals 2x. So this is a classic logarithmic subtraction property. So then we can join and merge these two terms together. So this term would be on the numerator and this term would go on the denominator. So we can write it down, merge these two natural logs as ln e to the power of 2x plus 3 over 3 equals 2x. Next step is to get rid of this natural log. So our approach is to raise e to the power of each side. So this step is called exponentiation. So we need to exponentiate each term. So e to the power of this term is just this term itself. So e to the power of 2x plus 3 over 3 equals e to the power of 2x. Next step is just to simplify that a little bit more. So let's cross multiply e to the power of 2x plus 3 equals 3 e to the power of 2x. Now we have similar terms. Let's just simplify that further. So 2e to the power of 2x equals 3. In other words, e to the power of 2x equals 3 over 2 or 3/2. Now let's take natural log of both sides. So if we take natural log of this term, it would be 2x equals ln 3/2 or 3 over 2. And the final answer is x equals 1/2 times ln 3 over 2, which is around 0.2. So that's the final answer. So this step is enough. But I have a bonus challenge for you. So I want you to solve for x again. So let's make it a little bit more difficult. So solve for x. That's a bonus challenge for you before you leave. So ln e to the power of 2x plus 5 equals x plus ln. So e to the power of x plus 2. So that's the bonus challenge for you. And make sure to solve for x and drop your thoughts and answers in the comments down below. And make sure to share and subscribe if you haven't already. And see you on our next video on prime logic.